I'm Phil, and this is Jim with Majestic Solutions, and we'd like to inform you about our brake wash versus aerosol brake cleans day. So Jim, what we're going to do is show the viewer exactly how much, well, on average, an aerosol can of brake clean provides. This is a popular over-the-counter aerosol that a lot of companies use. Let's start unloading it. And that can is empty. That's less than 12 ounces in that can. That, sir, is not a good value. Okay, Jim, in an average, what is the industry paying for an aerosol brake clean?
25 to 35 cents per ounce.
And our brake wash per ounce?
It's under 10 cents per ounce.
Wow. So ultimately, Jim, what is the value difference in these two products?
It's at or greater than 50%.
If you buy the bulk from us, you can save as much as 50%.
Correct.
That's amazing. So if you just consider the value alone, that's great, right? What if you consider what happens to the waste? Jim, what's the problem with the waste of either of these? Is there any waste with this?
Well, here you got 400 cans to fill a landfill. And here
400 cans?
400 cans.
Is what's in this drum?
Yes. As opposed to a refillable, rechargeable, rebuildable sprayer.
Okay, so recyclable and rebuildable. This goes into landfill. 400 cans is how many it takes to replace one drum of our bulk.
The better value is obvious.
And that is
Majestic Solutions Brake Wash.
MajesticSolutions.com. Give us a call or contact your local representative.